Hello everyone, I'm Callie and this is Cash with Callie, where we simplify finance and economics one video at a time. Have you ever wondered why the price of your favourite coffee fluctuates? Or why some businesses boom while others bust? Or why you'd rather have a slice of pizza now instead of a whole pizza tomorrow? Well, the Austrian School of Economics might just have the answers you're looking for. Today, we're going to break down this fascinating school of thought in a way that's easy to understand and relate to. Austrian economics, in its essence, is all about individual choices. It's like being at a supermarket. You're the one deciding what to buy, and your choices, along with those of millions of others, shape the economy. This idea is known as methodological individualism, but let's call it people power. Another key concept in Austrian economics is the subjective theory of value. This means that the value of something isn't fixed, but depends on what someone is willing to pay for it. Picture yourself at an auction, where a painting sells for $1 million. To you, it might just be a bunch of paint on a canvas, but to the person who bought it, it's a priceless masterpiece. Austrian economics also introduces the concept of time preference. It's the idea that we prefer having good things now, rather than later. This is often due to our natural inclination towards instant gratification. We want to enjoy things immediately, rather than wait. It's like choosing between a slice of pizza now or a whole pizza tomorrow. Most of us would choose the slice now, even though the whole pizza tomorrow is a better deal. This preference for immediate satisfaction can influence our decisions in a variety of ways, from the food we eat to the financial decisions we make. Understanding this concept can help us resist the urge for instant gratification and make choices that are better for us in the long run. The Austrians also have a unique perspective on the ups and downs of the economy, known as business cycles. They believe these cycles are caused by banks and governments manipulating interest rates, leading to poor business decisions. Imagine being on a roller coaster. The ups and downs can be thrilling, but if the ride operator starts messing with the speed, it can quickly become terrifying. But Austrian economics isn't just about theories, it's also about practical insights that can help us make better financial decisions. For instance, understanding the subjective theory of value can help us make smarter shopping decisions. Let's say you're deciding between buying a brand name pair of shoes or a less expensive no-name pair. The brand name shoes might have a higher price tag, but if they don't provide any additional comfort or durability to you, their value is not as high as their price suggests. On the other hand, the less expensive pair might provide the same comfort and durability, making them more valuable to you despite their lower price. This understanding can help you make a more informed decision and get more value for your money. And understanding time preference can help us make better investment decisions. Suppose you have some extra money that you're considering investing. You could spend it now on something you want, like a new TV, or you could invest it in a retirement fund that will grow over time. The concept of time preference suggests that the immediate satisfaction of buying the TV now might be tempting, but the potential future value of the investment could be much greater. This understanding can help you resist the urge to spend now and make better long-term financial decisions. So why should you care about Austrian economics? Because it offers a fresh lens to view the world of money and business. It tells us that individual choices matter, that value is subjective, and that patience is a financial virtue. It's like putting on a new pair of glasses that make you see money and business in a whole new light. And that's our quick and easy guide to Austrian economics. I hope you found it enlightening and easy to grasp. Remember, economics isn't just about big numbers and fancy words. It's about understanding how our choices shape the world around us. Thanks for joining me today on Cash with Callie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, keep learning, keep making smart choices, and remember, your wealth is in your hands.